The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in a big jungle, there was a strong lion and a small mouse. One day, while the lion was sleeping, the mouse accidentally woke him up by running on his nose. The lion got annoyed and caught the mouse with his paw. The little mouse shook with fear and asked the lion to please let him go. He promised to help the lion in the future. The lion laughed because he didn't believe a small mouse could help him, but he decided to let the mouse go anyway. After a while, the lion got caught in a hunter's net. He screamed for help, but no one heard him. All of a sudden, the mouse appeared and saw the lion in trouble. Remembering the lion's kindness, the mouse started chewing the net until the lion was free. The lion was surprised and thankful. He learned that even a small one can help and be kind. From that day on, the lion and the mouse became the best of friends, always looking out for each other in the jungle. The Lion and the Mouse.